Okay, we're going to finish our discussion of negative numbers. So, now we're talking about multiplication of positive and negative numbers. Like addition, multiplication is commutative. This means that order does not matter. So if you have a group of numbers that you're multiplying, you can multiply them in any order. It does not matter. You will get the same answer. So, when you're multiplying positive and negative numbers, what you really have to do is you multiply all of the numbers. Then, you count how many negative numbers are in the group. The final answer will have a sign based on how many negative numbers were in the group. If there's an even number of negative signs, then the answer will be positive. If there's an odd number of negative signs, the answer will be negative. Okay, so let's try this. We're going to multiply the numbers. So we're multiplying the absolute values of the numbers. So absolute values. Okay, so 1 times 5 is 5. Let's count how many negative signs. There's 1. That's odd, so our answer is odd. Okay, multiplying the absolute values. So 4 times 2 is 8. Times 3 is 24. Let's count how many negative signs we have. We have 1, 2. That's even, so our answer is positive. So we're done. Okay, now we try this one. 5 times 1 is 5, times negative 2. So, but we're only using the absolute values, so times 2 is 10, times 4 is 40. Count how many negative signs we have. We have 2 negative signs, so that's even, so our answer is positive, so we're done. Okay, now we have to look at division. Okay, when dividing, if both numbers have the same sign, simply divide their absolute values. The answer is going to be positive. Okay, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. Negative 12 divided by negative 3, well, we can just divide their absolute values. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. The answer is positive because they both have the same sign. Those signs just cancel each other out. Same with negative 6 and negative 2. The signs cancel each other out, so we're left with 6 divided by 2, which is 3. And then 15 divided by 5 is just positive 3. Okay? The two numbers have different signs. Divide their absolute values, and the answer will be negative. So when you're dividing, you don't have to worry about the sign of the answer until you're done. Just divide the absolute values and then determine the sign when you're done. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Only one of them is negative, so we're going to get a negative for our answer. 4 divided by 2 is 2. How many of them are negative? Only 1. Our answer is negative. Negative 9 divided by 3, so we take 9 divided by 3 is 3, and it's going to be negative because they have different signs. And lastly, negative 14 divided by 7, take 14 divided by 7, we get 2, but it's negative because only one of them is negative.